Alright, let's click on iMovie and create project and movie again. Here you can select all the videos you want to import to edit your project with, so that's everything you shot. You can click on the video and select the video. And then just click on create movie at the bottom. Now you can scroll back to the beginning, it's imported all the videos. If you tap on the video, you have options appearing at the bottom, what you can do with that specific clip. The speed, the volume, titles, and color filters. If you stay pressed on a clip, you can move it around the timeline, so you can place it wherever you want. When you tap on a clip, you can select the edges and move them around to trim your clips to just the section you want to keep. This is good when you have a very long clip. Another way to shorten a very long clip is to put the white line wherever you want it to stop and delete the rests. So you'll just move it around, click on the clip, press Action, Split, and then just delete that whole section that you don't want. You can add a title by tapping on the clip and then tapping on Titles and choosing from one of the templates provided. If you want to modify the text, you need to click on the clip and then click on the titles and then click on the actual text itself, and it will be editable. Now let's look at the transition. You have to click on the little icon in between clips, and you have all the transition options at the bottom, the different types and also the length. This is a slide transition, for example, compared to a cross dissolve. If you select the clip and click on volume, you can reduce the volume of that specific clip. That's good when you want to do a voiceover and you don't want the ambient sound to be too loud. You can also make clips go faster or slower by tapping on the clip and tapping on the speed option. On the top right corner, you can click on the plus button. This will enable you to add audio, so music and sound effects, or extra footage or photos. On the top left, you can click on Done, and then you can click on the title to edit it, change it from iMovie to whatever you want. And then you can click at the bottom to also save the video. HD 1080p is a good resolution. It will then export the video and save it into your photo library. As you can see now, the actual exported video with the titles, all the effects and everything is ready to be used, showcased and uploaded to Facebook or Instagram from your photo library.